Tragedy Monday night in St. Andrew after a deadly fire claimed the lives of 2 children at the privately run Walker's Place of Safety.
They were among a group of 36 wards of the state who were inside the building, which caught fire sometime after 10 p.m.
Firefighters say the blaze spread quickly. During cooling down operations, the bodies of a 16-year-old and a 13-year-old were found in rubble.
TVJ's Giovanni Dennis, who was on the scene last night, now joins us live to give us the very latest on what was a horror scene for the wards. Gio?
Thanks so much in studio. Now it's an eerily calm Tuesday night on Lyndhurst Crescent in St. Andrew. I'm standing just in front of the building that housed the Walker's Place of Safety up to Monday night, 10 o'clock, that's last night, before a horrendous fire engulfed the building, snatching 2 of the 36 young lives that lived here. The burnt remains that you can now see behind me tell the fiery tale, as you'll now see and hear in this report. December 25, 2017, 36 wards of the state at the Walker's Place of Safety gathered, dancing and singing at their annual Christmas treat. Early Tuesday morning, they gathered once again, but struggled to sing. 2 of the 36 were not present. The missing 2 were trapped inside this ferocious fire at the place they call home. Firefighters from 4 stations fought for up to 5 hours to put out the blaze. Sections of a nearby house also caught fire, preventing this occupant, who did not want to appear on camera, from helping.
Feel it to my heart. All the kids were calling out my name. People were nice, and they pick them run out of my youth next door, over the upstairs places, so take out some of the kids, and put them out the road with Miss Gracie, out the road, traumatized, drop them out the road, and them have to take her up. Shut me care me eat. Oh my God, that could be my kids too, you know. Could be my kids.
But in the midst of the tragedy, one resident saw heroism from one of the male wards.
They were traumatized, I could say first, and then, you know, but you can't see that they were strength, because I like a young lad there, I wish they would expose him too, because I understand that he was there with another one pushing out who he could push out, you know, like a little hero.
The 34 wards who escaped the blaze were taken to this nearby church. When we visited, howling echoed on the inside as the wards of the state and those responsible for caring for them wept openly. They were counseled by officials from the Child Protection and Family Services Agency.
We have our social workers. Some of the children are crying, so we're providing just an instant support to them. Our team is working now in terms of where we're going to house them, and so that's ongoing. And we'll provide that support ongoing to them. The management very distraught.
A visibly shaken State Minister of Youth Floyd Green said everything will be done to help those affected.
The immediate response in terms of getting back food items, getting back clothing, clearly is something that the government and our Child Protection and Family Services Agency will be on immediately. And always in these scenarios, you know, we always appeal to Jamaicans to help.
He subsequently said 3 homes had been identified where the wards of state will be housed. It's now 4:35 a.m. on Tuesday morning. I'm standing just in front of the area that used to be the Walker's Place of Safety. Investigators are still here at this moment trying to piece together information to determine what could have started the deadly blaze.
We are currently doing our investigation. We are looking at a couple of leads into what might have caused the fire. We have developed a hypothesis, but we are not able to say yet until we have concluded as to exactly what the cause is. But we are confident we'll be able to say what the cause of this fire is, based on what we have seen so far.
Up to late Tuesday afternoon, no breakthrough was made. In the meantime, authorities say persons who want to help can call the Child Protection and Family Services Agency at 948-1250. Food and clothes are most needed at this time.